GenX Telecom pros and 9-to-5 escapees. Tired of the grind? This one AI prompt can make you $500 in a week selling Etsy printables. And I'm giving it to you free today. If you're over 40, burned out, and ready for side income without tech overwhelm, hit play now. Here's the reality. GenX has experience bosses crave, but age bias and no time kill us. AI changes that. Today, 3 ChatGPT prompts for side hustles: Etsy, freelancing, consulting. Tested by me, a telecom expert turned AI prompt queen. Prompt number 1. Etsy product goldmine. Copy this. Generate 10 printable Etsy product ideas for your niche. Example, busy Gen X moms, including Canva template suggestions, price points $5 to $25, and 3 marketing hooks per product. Format as a table. Watch. 2 hours later, you have your first sale. The table. Prompt number 2. Freelance client magnet. Next, write 5 Upwork proposals for your skill. Example, telecom consulting. Targeting small businesses, each under 200 words, highlighting 20+ years experience as advantage over juniors. Include 3 specific results from past work. This can land you a $1,200 gig. Prompt number 3. Local telecom gigs. For us telecom pros, create service packages for local businesses needing VoIP phone system audits. Include 3 tiers: $97, $497, $997. Email outreach script and LinkedIn connection message positioning 25-year expertise as risk-free upgrade. Book coffee meetings the same week. Want 50 more plug-and-play prompts for Gen X income? Grab my $27 prompt pack. Link in description. First 20 get half off and get bonus templates. Drop side hustle in comments if you're trying this today. Subscribe for weekly Gen X AI wins. Next, resume prompts that beat 20-somethings. Let's stack that cash.